Sorry guys, I forgot to update. We're currently eating now our breakfast here. So first time namin mag-try ng breakfast ng white because of my friend. It's her day of the day. Ayun, busy siya. So kain muna kami guys kasi later flight na namin. So when we woke up kasi, nag-impake kami kagad ng gamit. Tinabot kami ng ilang oras. And then naligo. Saka kami lumabas ngayon brunch na namin. So after ng brunch, siguro before 5 PM dapat nakauwi na kami para at least diretso kami sa airport to check in our bags. Update namin kayo guys. Currently strolling around after eating. Busog ng busog. We're finally going back to our house.
Oh yeah.
At may nabili kami kada labas namin. May nabibili talaga.
You know. Hi everyone.
And hi girl.
Ano daw, hi girl? Hi girl.
So dalawang mall ang magkalapit dito na walking distance lang sa house. And it's great. The Hub and Just Smart. Lahat ng sides dito guys, pero mga mall. I mean, not really mall, pero grocery store na may mga iba-ibang shops inside. Diyan kami sumakay kahapon. Dito, so may tapat ng mall.
Sasakay pa.
Lalakad so, ang taas ng araw, diba? Pero it's around, 5 PM na here. So ngayon, nandito na kami sa bus stop going to the airport. So, aghahan natin ng slide pa din kahit na malapit lang ang airport dito. Ayan, lahat kami naka-gray top. Pero later sa Queenstown, it's gonna be more cold. And I hope walang delay. Kasi ang arrival namin sa Queenstown is around 8:35 PM. Pero I think still, meron pa rin namang araw. So ayan, antay muna kami. We're now inside the bus bound to Christchurch International Airport. So a few minutes lang naman to. And then probably we're gonna be there. Ahead of time naman, before kami mag-boarding. So dapat pala ngayon pa lang, feeling ko boarding na is 7:35. Tapos anong oras pa dito pa lang kami. Pero carry lang na. Kasi wala naman kaming check.
Guys, may GPS. Ayan, shout out sa'yo. Big shout out.
Anong OST yung baggage?
Wala ba siyang OST? Wala yung sa K-drama. Baka mabasa ko, hindi ako marunong ng lyrics.
Yan yung pag kunyari yung nag-away sila ng jowa niya. Nag-away sila ng jowa niya. Okay, naglayas siya.
Hindi, parang sikat parang nurse, tapos sa mga Korean, di ba?
Oo. Pagod na siya from work.
Oo, tapos
Anong bulgogi?
Basta nasa tono ko yun.
Mali-mali lyrics pero accepted na kasi okay yung ano niya. Yung tono niya. Tama na, airtime. Okay, nandito na kami sa airport. Ihahatid ko na yung friend kong sundalo. Ihahatid niya, sundalo. Yes! Blackpink yan! Ayan. Okay, ayusin. Tignan mo, mas malaki yung nakapatok kaysa sa isasababa. Ay, nako. Ay, ang ganda mo dyan. We're gonna do self-check-in. Self-check-in kami ngayon. Ayan. Okay. Okay, last step. Magkakaano lang.
19C. Uy, magkakatabi. ABC. Just start ang pinakamaarte dito sa lahat.
Okay.
Ayusin nyo yan. Ayusin nyo.
Det.
Mrs. Step 2. Let's go, cutie.
We're now here at the boarding gates. Pero ang flight namin is 7:35 pa. We're now boarding to going to Queenstown.
Hey guys, we're now inside the aircraft, so we're just waiting for our aircraft to take off. And actually on time sila mag-board, so it's my first time trying their local airline, Air New Zealand. And I hope we're gonna have a safe flight, even though it's just a 1 hour, flight.
Sana may libre pagkain. Pero
Walang libre pagkain.
Ikaw naman. Hindi mo may pinagin.
Ayun, hindi natin naintindihan. Guys, hindi ko na na-vlog kanina kasi nahiya ako. May poging kanina. Pogi sa sa convenience store. Anyways guys, we'll update you later.
Just arrived here at Queenstown International Airport. We just landed. Super easy lang ng disembark namin. Mabilis lang din. Mas maaga kaming dumating. Grabe, nakaka-wow kasi ang ganda ng mountains guys. Sa labas pa lang. Hi guys! Nasa na tayo? Queenstown! Mabebe! Mabebe sila oh.
I love the weather.
Yeah, hindi siya ganun kalamig and we are surrounded by mountains. Grabe.
Even though we're surrounded by mountains.
Yeah, so pupunta kami ngayon sa bus stop, bus station para at least baka pag-check-in na kami sa hotel namin. Mare, nakakatuwa ang araw nito. We're now here at Queenstown. As you can see at our back, there's a lake, the lake view, and we have a beautiful new friend from Germany, and her name is Mia. And Mia, what can you say about this place?
It's awesome to meet you guys. So nice that you just invited me when I bumped into you, and it's just so beautiful here.
Beautiful with a beautiful girl.
Yeah, because Mia was terrified, like, oh, you're older than me.
Yeah, she's really young.
We will take that as a compliment, Mia.
Yeah. So we're gonna see you guys on our next places that we're gonna visit here. See ya. Nandito pa rin kami ngayon sa labas. Though, yun nga, nahatid na namin si Mia. sa room. So kami, we tried to look for some other rooms to stay because, yun nga, explain.
The ending is
wala kaming napala. Hindi naman talaga issue. It's just that syempre, siguro sa part namin, sa kinalakihan namin, na hindi, ayaw namin na may kasamang, like, gusto namin kasi is may
family. Hindi, siguro kaya pala general din yun. Kasi nga, kagaya nila Anika daw dati. Ano din sila ng for 8. Tapos sila lang din. For 8 people. So, syempre, halo-halo sila. Ang tanga ko. Bakit ko sinabi yun sa front of the house kanina? Gwapo pa naman yun. Baka na-disappoint na siya sa akin.
Guys, sorry ha, para ma-inform lang kayo. Yung problema kasi namin is may nakita kaming mag-jowa sa isang room sa amin. So, pero kami, hindi kami sanay. Kumbaga, we feel uncomfortable. Kakalag kasi sila. Parang, hala, baka mamaya. Alam mo yung worries ba namin? Pero, let's see this night if what will happen. So,
yun lang yung masasabi ko kasi pagod na ako.
Good luck.
Sobrang anghang na ng tiyan ko. Yung tubig ko nasa ilalim ng ilong ko.
Tapos public pa rin yung yung hiwalay ang restroom. Though okay lang din naman kasi may cubicles naman ang restroom. It's just that syempre pag matutulog, baka may naririnig kami, the joke. Good morning you guys. So I'm with my friends right now. And it's our first whole day here that we're witnessing the beauty of Queenstown. Guys, right from the place or like right from our hostel, napakaganda na agad ng view na nakaharap sa amin ngayon. And I'm very excited to the activities that we're going to have today. We're gonna have our breakfast first because my friend is hungry.
Yeah.
No, I'm hungry too. I'm hungry too. Hope we're gonna have a good food today, but we're gonna choose where to eat.
Ilibot mo na tayo.
Yeah, we're gonna stroll around first. Nag-e-enjoy yung mga anak ninyo dito.
Super ganda.
And mga jet boating activities here. And then mga restaurants and shops here.
Yung medium
Sige, mag-ganyan tayo.
bukas na or bukas na siguro kasi
We're here naman sa different spot and it's really good. Nasa bench kami and then ang in front namin ay ito. Yung mga gumagawa ng activities. Yan, speedboat.
Yung parang mga
eating now. So we had our breakfast brunch. It's bacon and egg with milkshake and
egg and Benedict, I think.
Egg and Benedict. Who is Benedict?
Ang baliw ng ate mo, no? Medyo malakas amats natin
yeah,
dito.
so yan. Mag-ikot muna kami dito sa town na to.
Ito mag-iipit na.
And yeah, enjoy this day. Yes, sounds like that. And another perfume here. Look guys, sa alpaca to, grabe napaka-soft. Love it. Sarap matulog sa ganito. Siguro bukas nang gising ko nito. Ayan, sige paano? How?
sa feeling. Siguro kung ito kama natin.
Oo.
Matulog ako buong araw.
Same.
Ito asin mo, paano kahanin nila nakakainin, no? Ito kaya na.
Mga natural kasi yung tingin.
We're gonna try guys their gondola and beach. So we're gonna have the family gondola thing for only 219 NZD. So just kidding. Guys, what's good in here because you're gonna have a free photo before you're gonna ride the gondola. Meron daw siyang rules. Kailangan tumakbo daw agad.
Hindi na takbo talaga. Kasi hindi na siya mag-adjust.
Mabilis naman kami maglakad dyan. Go, pasok. Hello! Hello!
Ano yan, right?
part na yung luge nila. Grabe, dinaanan namin parang ano ha. Parang nakakatakot masisira. Nakatakot talaga. Yeah.
Pila tayo.
Ayan, pipila kami dito.
sarili.
Kami pipila guys. Diyan. Napadaan ako. We're gonna try the luge. For her, for the second time. Sa amin, first time. Guys! Ang ganda ng kuha na! Oo nga.
Gandahan nyo.
Talagang ngingiti?
Oo, doon sa may poste.
Yan ang gagawin namin guys later. We're gonna do that thrice. Hindi na kami makakapag-video later, so ngayon na lang. Kasi I think it's impossible to do that while we're riding. See you! Going down na. After namin magpahinga. Sabi, 3 luge yun ha. Pero na-enjoy namin. Una lang talaga nakakaba. Pero when you learn how to use it, it's super fun. We're gonna buy some snacks before we head back to our hotel. Since hungry tayo, ang dami natin ginawa. So this is it. I think we're gonna buy chicken kebab. You like chicken chickies? So we're deciding where to get now after namin mag-rest. So this is a Japanese... Is this a Japanese restaurant, guys? Chinese restaurant. So seafood Chinese restaurant. What to eat for dinner? They are still choosing. Look at the live ice. Guys, it's rainy today. We're just waiting for our order. Ano in-order natin?
Yung special combo yun. Ano ba yan? Prawn, saka rice, tapos spring roll.
Yeah.
Saka nag-add siya ng miso soup.
Yes, miso soup talaga the best.
Favorite niya.
Wait,
Especially ngayon umuulan.
oh, kung may miso soup, bakit ano? Bakit ano? Chinese to, di ba? Miso soup is Japanese, right?
Hindi, pwede
Ano
naman
mo?
siya.
A combination.
Ah, okay. Kasi may sashimi eh. Ah, okay. So, mix sila. So, guys, it's kind of raining outside right now. That's why it's cold. Naka-jacket
13
kami.
degrees na yun.
Yes. Kanina nakapang ano kami. Ang tawag doon? Pangmalakasan. Ngayon, nakapang taguan na kami. Balutan na kami. Diba?
Yeah.
Dito parang early dinner, no? Kasi may araw pa eh. Here, oh. Yan. Pero dito ngayon, dinner na talaga.
Thank you so much.
So, parang combo meal na nila to dito.
Buti na lang, nakakain din ako ng rice.
Siyempre, ang aming veins ay nag-crave ng rice. Hindi ako fan na to. Pero nasa party na. Kanina nag-dinner tayo. Ngayon, we're looking for a bar where we can drink and warm up ourselves. So, super lamig guys kasi umulan. Kakaulan lang. Doon tapos naman na. Okay lang. Basta bar tayo, bar. Let's go to the bar or...
Let's go to the beach. Sige nga, kung matapang ka, itulak mo nga yun.
Ayoko nga, hindi naman ako bad eh. Not bad. Going back to our hotel na. Pagod na at super lamig. Alright. Dun sa kabila. Alright guys. Bye-bye.